I'm going to make cheesy breadsticks. So I'm just gonna flatten this and form a small edge so the butter will not ooze out. Stretch. You can also do this like this. Just stretch it. The weight of the dough will stretch the dough out. Do this. Put it on the paddle. Put the garlic sauce. You can also use olive oil and minced garlic with herbs. So this, I melted butter and I put minced garlic and Italian seasonings. So just spread it. Mozzarella cheese. You can also put cheddar cheese if you like. Put Parmesan cheese. And put more Italian seasonings if you like. Or you can also put oregano and basil if you don't have Italian seasonings. Parsley. It's ready for the oven. It smells so good. Lovely. Just keep spinning it so it cooks evenly. It's almost done. Wow, that's perfect. Wow, bubbly. That's so hot. We have to let it cool down before eating. You don't want to get burned. Good.